you've already paid for the one item. So technically, according to girl math again, everything else in here was free. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. Today we are getting into the FabFitFun 2024 Spring Box. If you didn't know already, FabFitFun is a customizable seasonal subscription box that has full-size beauty, fitness, fashion, and home items sent straight to your door every single season. Last winter, I got sent the 2023 winter box, and inside that box had some goodies, okay? If you did not watch that, I'm not sure if this year's winter box will be the same, but you'll get a feel of, you know, what they given, you know, so check out that video. But the things inside of the box, you do get to pick them. So this is not that type of subscription box where you don't know what you're getting. You know exactly what you're getting inside of your box, and I am actually terrified right now because we are going to open this together. I have no idea what's in my box, and the reason why I kind of slightly don't have a clue what's in my box because almost most of the things that I selected, I got a little caution, and I don't know if everyone's gonna get this caution, but I got a little caution saying, hey, there is a high chance that your item will be unavailable. So in the case that the item is unavailable, we might have to pick something for you. So because I selected multiple items that gave me that caution, I'm praying to the FabFitFun gods that I received what I selected. Like I said, I got the 2023 winter box, and what I love about it is that anyone who becomes a member gets up to 70% off of top brands, and the whole box is valued at up to $350. So I think for $59.99 or $54.99, I forget because they have tiers, but for either of those prices, you get this box filled with items of your choosing for up to $350. And if you use the code DIAMOND, you'll get an extra 20% off of your membership, which means it'll end up being like around $47.99, which according to girl math, if one of the items, just one of the items you select in this box is the price of the box itself, so the box is $59.99 or $54.99, and using my code you get it for $47.99. So that means one item costs $47.99 and the rest of the items in the box are free because you get a value of up to $350. Girl, I'm excited. Let's just get into it. Oh, okay, this is cute. So this is the box, and this, I'm obsessed with this. In my last video, what we did was we calculated all the items that I got in my specific box to see if it really has items that is up to $350, but also to see if it's actually worth your coin, okay? So let's get into the first item, which is this Aloe magnesium spray. So I actually got this because I heard that magnesium spray helps soothe the muscle. I heard that it helps you like relax and stay calm. So I've seen people put magnesium spray like on their wrist, at the bottom of their feet to help them like sleep, or on their wrist during the daytime to just help them stay calm and not as like jittery or anxious. But also I am on my fitness journey, and being on my fitness journey and lifting weights a couple times a week, my muscles be so sore. So I was like, you know what? This helps. I'm gonna see if it helps, and the reviews were really good. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna pick this, but we go see if she worked. But this cost $48. So off rip, already, my box has been paid for. What did I say earlier? I'm psychic. I say it all the time, I'm psychic. But what did I say earlier? I said the price of one item of the box is the cost of the box itself. So I already paid with my code DIAMOND, you get 20% off, $47.99. You've already paid for the one item. So technically, according to girl math again, everything else in here was free. So let's just get into it. And this is something that I selected. So this is the Grown, oh, I selected this too. I selected this too. The Grown Alchemist Body Exfoliator. So it was, hopefully I have a next time where I could rate the next box, maybe the summer box. But next time I'm going to actually screenshot everything that I had the selection of, just to see if this is something that I actually chose or if it was something that was given to me. But I do know I chose this, but I chose this for a reason, and I'm wondering if the reason was I was afraid what I might want might not be available, or if the reason was what the selection that I had just wasn't, you know, like they didn't have good things, so I just selected this. And if you are a part of the channel, you already know, what is my slogan? Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate.
You have to exfoliate like a crazy man. You know,
Yeah, because if you do not, how are you going to get skin like this? How? Okay. So this is coming out to $35. So 35 bucks. And I'm so excited to use this and add this into my everything shower. If you are interested in my everything shower, just go ahead, give this a thumbs up, and I will make a video, because sometimes I feel like I'm wasting my time. I forgot the name of the brand, but this is also something that I actually picked. And this is just the perfect spring bag, and I feel like it's just the perfect bag when you have your day dress on and you're, you know, just you're not carrying a lot of things. I think it's also a very cute bag for vacation because it has this like suede. The price of this bag is $60. So we're going to write that down, 60 bucks. My box has been paid for and more. And what I just love about this is like the perfect spring everyday bag. Like the color is bomb, and it's like, oh, my arm's too big, so it don't fit like a shoulder bag for me. For somebody else it could fit as a shoulder bag, but I'm thick, so I'm gonna leave that to the skinny girls. But it's a cute bag to hold. Okay, so this, I think I actually selected this too, which these are a headband and these hand scrunchies, and I am about sick and tired of water coming down my wrist when I'm washing my face and doing my skincare. So I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna buy these myself, but it's offered in a box, so why not get it? So it's $28 for this headband and these two wrist things. So I'm actually very, very excited to use them, and they feel like they're very soft. I just noticed that. Like when I was taking it out, I was like, damn, these soft. They're very soft. So you really feel the quality of this, and I think this is just so cute. Like even though I'm going to use it, like I could just see this little cute teenage girl like getting ready to do her skincare routine, and like this is just the cutest little thing as like a birthday gift or something. Now this is what I wanted. Okay, I seen this in there, and when I clicked it and it said there's a possibility that you can't get it, like I was like devastated, because I'm just like, damn, like I really want this. So this is a daily check-in planner by Form, and the reason why I wanted this planner is, one, I'm obsessed with planners. Two, it comes with a free 6-month subscription to Form, which is a digital platform that just incorporates self-care, fitness, wellness, self-love, the same thing that my page does. And I just really connected with it. But anyway, you get a free 6-month subscription. That's what the website said. But I don't see no instructions on how to do that. The journal itself is $32. So I'm actually on the website right now, and on the website, this book is sold out. I think you could only get it through FabFitFun. And then me being on my fitness journey once again, and I'm starting to take Pilates, and I needed like a really cute, dope yoga bag where I could put my things in. If I'm going to Pilates, I could bring it to my Pilates class. If I'm doing hot yoga, I could bring it to my yoga class. So this bag is from Beyond Yoga, and I think that this is so nice. Like I could really use this as a carry-on, like low-key. Like this is a big bag, but I love the size of it. I love the sleek luxury look that it has, and I just think it will be so nice and so pretty to go with my yoga and Pilates outfit. This is the convertible gym bag, and it is $80 on the website. So we came up to $283. I got up to $283 worth of items in my box, and it was only, again, $47.99 with my code DIAMOND. This was a cute box. This was a cute box because it springs you into a new version of yourself. Like it springs you literally into spring when the world resets, the earth resets, the birds are chirping, the flowers are blossoming, and it really helps you like just rejuvenate and come into a new version of yourself, from the dailies journal to the body oils for the gym to the gym bag. It's just like, girl, stick to your New Year's resolution. That is what this box is giving. Girl, stick to your New Year's resolution. Okay, so this is the perfect birthday gift for anyone in the springtime. I think it's a good gift for yourself. Like $47.99, $283 worth of product, where these are usable things that you'll use in your everyday life. I really like this box. I like this box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget, if you made it this far, to like, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you guys soon.